Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix the issue where your display looks faded on your Samsung device. Now as of course you can see here, this is a Samsung Galaxy device and this is what the issue looks like. As you can see here, the display looks washed out and faded, and of course in the case when you're having this issue, this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is just a reproduction to show you what it looks like, where the display becomes basically washed out, the icons are unclear, and of course the display looks as shown here. Now this is what the display should look like, and this is what it looks like under normal conditions. Icons are clear, they're highly defined. Alright, so this can happen to just about any Samsung device, including the S series, the A series, you name it. Alright, it can happen to just about any phone. And I'm going to show you how to deal with it in case you're seeing this happen on your particular device. Alright, so the first thing you want to do guys, if this is happening to your phone, is to go ahead and restart your phone. So go ahead and power off. And I suggest that you do a complete power off. So you can go ahead and you can power down your device. So go ahead and do a complete turn off. Then of course turn on the device once again. Allow the phone to boot back up. And in most cases, what I've found is that that is able to fix the device, as it's just sometimes a software glitch and the phone just needs to restart to correct itself. Now, of course, you may not be able to see your display depending on the severity. So if it's very severe and you cannot see the display to power off, go ahead guys, you're going to locate your power button and volume down, and you're going to press and hold power button and volume down at the same time. Keep pressing and holding. So you're just going to press power and volume down at the same time, and what's going to happen is that this should force restart your device. So just go ahead and do that, and as soon as the device restarts, you can let go as soon as you see the first logo and allow the device to power back up. Alright, so that's a forced restart, and of course that should help in case you cannot see the display. Doing that should help you with fixing the issue. Now if that doesn't work also, another thing that you can try is to go ahead and adjust the brightness. So as best as possible, go ahead and go to the area here. So from your right side, go ahead and swipe down. You're gonna see the brightness slider right here. What I suggest is that you turn off auto brightness. So go ahead and I suggest that you turn the brightness down. Alright, so you can turn, depending on the strength of your display, turn it down all the way down. Not completely down, but at least quarter or less. Alright, now that should help with the screen. And by turning down the brightness, sometimes the higher brighter options tend to cause screen issues. So keeping the display down will usually keep the display cooler, and of course it can help in resolving some display issues. Alright, another thing you can do is you can go to your settings, and in your settings you can go to your display settings. Alright, and again you can see the brightness here, and where it says adaptive brightness, where it will adjust on the fly, turn off adaptive brightness. Alright, and keep it, as I said, way down. Alright, so by doing that, it should fix the issue. Adaptive brightness will prevent the screen from automatically switching the brightness. Alright, and you find that by turning down the brightness, you can fix usually some screen issues, and the display should start behaving as normal. Just make sure that you do not turn up the brightness too high. Alright, so if you do all of those tips, in most cases you can fix the issue. Now in few cases it might be that display is broken, and of course you'll have to take it in for repair or being replaced, but do hope that it's just a temporary bug, but in most cases it is, and by doing what I showed, it should fix the issue. Alright, so see you in the next one guys, and hope this was helpful. It's Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.